There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Charger SXT in black. It comes equipped with bi-function HID projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel. There's only 78,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera system, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, a power sunroof, and also has a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com and search stock number D6780.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.